Van der Zalm & Associates has been around for over 15 years in the Lower Mainland of British Columbia, and our firm has really grown out of a love for public spaces and parks. We've expanded over the years to include things like civil engineering, site servicing, all sorts of landscape services and the like. But our main love is really the public space development and design. And one of those main things that we've really fallen in love with over the last 5 years has been water park development and aquatic design. And for us, what that means is designing public spaces for splash parks, spray pools, water fountains, all sorts of interactive water environments, whether those be indoor or outdoor. We've been involved with them. What makes Van der Zalm & Associates unique or different in a way is how much we really care about developing public space for people and all stakeholders. All stakeholders include children that utilize our playgrounds and water parks, as well as the environment, natural systems, wildlife, and how our projects integrate into the larger urban context.
One of the most common challenges we see is that every municipality and every regulating body has different codes and different requirements. So what we've done is made sure that our drawings are a step above what most municipalities require to ensure that when they get those drawings, they're ultimately approvable. And if they have any questions, they're simple responses. We've gone through this process before with many of them. Water management is a key concern for many of our clients today. The way we approach it is by providing them with a lot of options. There can be bioswales, recirculating systems. We can put that water into an irrigation tank. There's many different ways to reuse and recycle that water. And what we want to do is provide our clients with the best approach for their water usage. With every concept that V-Splash creates, safety is one of our main concerns. We want to make sure that our recirculating systems get rid of all contaminants, and once that water comes out of that spray toy, it's ultimately safe for the community.
I think what makes a splash park really stand out and unique is the selection of splash features. We found that kids really like to manipulate the water, so when we give them opportunities to dam or block up the water where they can then splash and play in it, they really enjoy that, redirecting the water through movable splash toys and splash features. It really adds to the play environment. And so one thing that we've done in our company, when we look at the catalog toys, we try to look at that feature and how the kid will use that. And so we often will talk with the splash toy suppliers and how we can customize that to create the play environment and give kids just new and unique opportunities to play.
Sometimes we shape a section of a splash pad in a depression so the water builds up for the kids to play in, and then it overflows into the next section and the next section after that. An ideal splash park is a splash park that all ages can incorporate the play value, the wow factor. And that's something that we try to promote in-house, and that's something that we strive towards in our designs to create for every client that we have.
As designers, we try to create a destination park. We try to give families the opportunity to sort of spend the entire day there. Also, our parks tend to have a theme as well, and it may be incorporated into sort of the history of the area. There may be sort of similar elements within that community or within that park already that we build off of. So, for instance, we see parks often developing a dragon theme or a forest theme with leaves that we incorporate into the design of the concrete as well. And it just adds to that environment as a destination park. The joy that I get in designing splash parks is really the opportunity to see the joy on the kids' faces as they're able to play and interact with the water is so much fun.
I think that the future is bright for Van der Zalm & Associates and V-Splash in particular. We're going to focus on carrying on the good work that we've started over a decade ago, but really look towards an increasingly complex regulatory approval process as a challenge, a unique challenge for us, and one that we need to meet head on to help shepherd our clients through to a complete project that's fiscally responsible, environmentally sensitive, and safe. I know we have the right team to do this. We've got some great people that really love what they do, And our commitment is to do our best and to try and find the best solution for each community.